Hello, dear children. Welcome back to the Digital Learning English class at St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. Myself, Mrs. Manikya Chikmat. I am your English teacher for third standard. Dear children, in our previous video, we have learnt about lesson number 9, the wise lion and the fearful hare. We did reading practice and analyzed the lesson. So today in this video, we are going to solve some exercises of this lesson. Let us start. First one, let us learn the hard words of this lesson. Hard words, glossaries. First one, thud. Thud means a dull sound or something falling. Second one, rumbling. Rumbling, a continuous deep sound. Third one, scamper. Run hastily. Fourth one, herd. A large group. Fifth one, investigate. To find out, inquire. Sixth, rumor. Rumor means information that may or may not be true. Seventh one, breaking up. Seventh one, breaking up. To break into pieces. Eighth one, panic. Sudden fear. Ninth one, shriek. A loud cry. Tenth one, implicate. Caught up or involve or include. 11th one, trembling. Trembling means shaking with fear. So this completes the hard words of this lesson. Next, move to the exercises, question answers. Answer the following questions. First one, what was Honu's worried thought? Answer, Honu's worried thought was, what would happen if the earth is to break up? Second one, what did Honu do when he heard the thud? Answer, when Honu heard the thud, he thought that the earth was breaking up. He jumped up and started running. Third question, what did the other animals do when they heard the hare shouting, the earth is breaking up? What did the other animals do when they heard the hare shouting, the earth is breaking up? Answer, when the other animals heard the hares shouting, the earth is breaking up, they too got up in panic. They all followed Honu. All the animals fled in wild disorder. And their cries of terror filled the air. Next one. Fourth questions. What did the lion ask the herd of animals to do? Answer, the lion asked the herd of animals to stop. Fifth question, did any of animals have reason for running? What was it? Answer, no one animals did not have a reason for running. They followed the rumors and run after to save their life. And run after to save their life. Sixth one. What did the lion tell Honu? Answer. The lion asked Honu what made him to think the earth was breaking up. He told him that the earth is safe and next time check the rumor before acting on it. Seventh question. What do you learn from this story? What do you learn from this story? Answer is, we must not blindly follow the rumors but check them before acting on them. We must not blindly follow the rumors but check them before acting on them. Now this completes the question answers. Next main question is, name the following. Name the following. What we have to do? They have given some lines. They ask some question, some lines. We have to answer for that. Okay. Any 4 reptiles. We should write 4 reptiles names. Reptiles. Which animals? Kravel. Kravel means ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. So answer is snake, lizard, turtle, crocodile. Second one. Any 4 insects. Any 4 insects. Housefly, mosquitoes, ants, spider. Third one. Any 4 wild animals. Any 4 wild animals. Lion, tiger, bear, zebra. Any 4 aquatic animals. Aquatic animals means water animals. Fish, whale, starfish, shark. So move to next main question. What is that? Let us read. Fourth main question is, read the following sentences. Use the correct phrase from the brackets in place of underlined words and rewrite the sentence. What we have to do, children? Which the words are underlined in the sentence, no, we should remove that word, and instead of that word we have to insert a same meaning word which is in the bracket, which are in the options. So once we have to select one correct options for that word. So let us start. Seeing a cobra. First one. Seeing a cobra, the children were shaking with fright, and then they fled in an indisciplined manner, and their shouts of horror filled the air. So this is the sentence. We have to, some words are underlined here, like shaking with fright, indisciplined manner, shouts of horror. We have to remove these words from the sentence and add the same meaning word in their same place. Let us do. Seeing cobra, the children were trembling in fear, and then they fled in an wild disorder, and their cries of terror filled the air. This is the answer. Now next, B1. B1. Many passengers were running hastily. Many passengers were running hastily through the narrow footbridge to catch the train. So we have to remove the running hastily word and have to add the correct suitable word from the bracket. Which is suitable here? Running hastily means scampering through. Answer is, many passengers were scampering through the narrow footbridge to catch the train. C. The children who misbehaved left the ground with disgrace and shame. The children who misbehaved left the ground with disgrace and shame. Answer is, the children who misbehaved left the ground with their heads held low. With their heads held low. This completes the fourth main question. Now let us do the activity. Activity, language development. What is that? Language development. What we have to do? Spell and write ECT words. We have to spell the word and add the ECT letters in the word. Make one another correct proper word. Okay, start. First one, ELECT, elect. INSP, ECT, inspect. INSECT, insect. COLLECT, collect. Next, spell and write ECT words. SELECT, select. EXP, ECT, expect. NEGLECT, neglect. CONNECT, connect. Now let us move to the next activity. Fill in the blanks with ECT words from question number 1. We have to select the options for this fill in the blanks from question number 1. We have to select the options from question number 1. Let us start. A. People elect their respectives in a democracy. People elect their respectives in a democracy. Second one, the coach is going to dash the team for the cricket match today. The coach is going to select the team for the cricket match today. Third one, children should not neglect their studies. Neglect is answer. D. Aman, Aman, can you connect me the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 please? Fifth one, we expect our school cricket team to win in the match. We expect our school cricket team to win in the match. F1, Anita's hobby is to collect stamps. Anita's hobby is to collect stamps. So dear children, this completes activity language development. Now the last one, writing skill. Writing skill. What is the writing skill here? What they have given to us? Describe each of the following in 3 sentences. They have given 2 characters from the lesson, the lion and the fearful hare. We have to describe these 2 characters in 3 sentences. Let us start. First one, the lion. The lion. How was the lion in the lesson? Yes, the lion was very brave and intelligent. The lion was very brave and intelligent. He didn't follow the rumors spread by Hono hare. He investigated the situation. Lion investigated the situation. B. How was the hare? How was the hare? The fearful hare. Fearful hare. Yes, the hare was fearful. The hare was very foolish and lazy. He simply scared and worried unnecessary. Without checking, he spread the rumors in the forest. This completes the exercises of this lesson. All of you write your English classwork very neatly without any spelling mistakes in your English classworks. In our next video, we are going to learn the grammar part of this lesson. Thank you. Stay home.